For existing modules, avatar memory is switched off by default. However, enabling it is quick and easy within the module editor. From your dashboard, select the module where you'd like to enable avatar memory. Click the Edit button to open the module editor. Memory is activated at the episode level. To switch it on, expand the Advanced Settings section located beneath each episode. You'll see the option to enable avatar memory here. It's important to remember that this setting must be switched on individually for each AI avatar episode where you'd like memory to be active. Once enabled, conversation insights begin building between scenes. This allows each episode to reference relevant discussions from previously completed scenes, creating a more personalized and cohesive learning journey. And that's how you enable and use avatar memory within Metaskills Avatar Studio.